3-cylinder, pero mamaw manakbo. I got you ulit. This is the 2021 Geely Coolray SX11 GLX S variant, full options, top of the line. At dito sa harap, meron kang LED day running light, projector headlight, LED fog lamps, may mga sensors dito, may red accent sa grille, may front camera, at tingnan mo yung harap niya, super sporty. At pagdating naman dito, merong manggang nahulog, 18 inches two-tone alloy wheels, makakapalang tires, meron kang fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, may turn signals at 360 camera. At sa pinakalikod, meron kang OEM spoiler with S-badge dito, LED taillight, may rear sensor, rear fog lamps, rear camera, at sa trunk decent amount of space at kumpleto ng tools. At nakakilis entry ka na, so hindi mo na kailangan hugutin yung susi sa bulsa mo every time na mapasok ka sa kotse. At dito naman sa loob, panoramic roof, super sporty na bucket seat, may paddle shifter, may mga controls dito at may cruise control na rin to. Fully digital display, maroon yung dashboard niya, large touchscreen, automatic transmission, electronic parking brake at area for your phone. At meron siyang S-badge dito sa upuan niya at ang meaning daw niyan, super bilis. At syempre, naka-power seat na rin to. At syempre, itong coaching to, matipid din sa gasolina, around 16 km per liter sa mixed driving conditions. Kaya kung gusto mo to, 595,000 pesos lang yan. Peace out.